5 habits that can 10 times your life. Most people think success comes from luck. They think it comes from money. They think it comes from talent. But the truth is very simple. Your life grows when your habits grow. Today I want to share 5 habits. Not complicated habits, not habits only rich people can do. Just simple habits that can slowly, quietly, change your life and multiply it. Habit 1. Think long, not fast. Many people want fast results. Fast money, fast success, fast life. But fast thinking creates weak results. Strong people think long. They ask themselves one question: where will this decision take me in 5 years, not 5 days? When you think long, you become calm. You stop chasing noise. You stop running after every opportunity. You choose what builds, not what shines. Long thinking is the habit of builders. Habit 2. Learn every day, even a little. You do not need to study for hours. You do not need big books. You only need consistency. 10 minutes a day is enough. One idea a day is enough. Most people stop learning after school. That is why their life stops growing. When you learn every day, your mind becomes stronger. Your confidence becomes real. Your fear becomes smaller. Learning is like planting seeds. You don't see results today, but one day, your life is full of trees. Habit 3. Control your emotions. Life will test you. People will test you. Money will test you. If your emotions control you, your life will always be unstable. Strong people feel emotions, but they do not obey them. They pause, they breathe, they think before they react. When you control your emotions, you control your future. Calm people make better decisions. Better decisions create better lives. Habit 4. Do the hard thing. First, most people delay pain. They escape difficulty. They choose comfort. But comfort makes life smaller. Successful people do the hard thing first. They make the call. They start the work. They face the fear. After that, everything feels lighter. Discipline is painful at the start, but regret is painful forever. Choose short pain for long peace. Habit 5. Change your environment. Your environment shapes your mind. Your mind shapes your life. If you are always around negativity, your dreams will shrink. If you're always around lazy thinking, your energy will die. You don't need perfect people. You just need better input, better conversations, better videos, better books, better silence. Change what you hear, and you will change how you think. You don't need to change your whole life today. That is too heavy. Just change one habit, then another, then another. Small habits, done every day, create big lives over time. Growth is not loud. Growth is quiet. But one day people will ask, how did you change so much? And the answer will be simple. I changed what I do every day.